Today we're off to Canberra Harley-Davidson for the United We Ride charity event. So as you know, we've got a bunch of Harleys in the arsenal, but today we're taking the Goldwing. Let's go. G'day guys, Phil here. Yes, we are back in Canberra for the weekend. There is a bunch of bike events happening, and today we are off to Canberra Harley-Davidson for the United We Ride charity event. So, as you know, we've got a bunch of Harleys in the arsenal, but today decided to take the Goldwing. So it might rustle a few feathers, we're going to find out, and we'll see what people think of it. We're going to meet a bunch of the boys out there, but prior to that, we're going to hit a bakery. While being in Canberra, I've discovered almond croissants. Now, they've probably been around forever. I've only just found them. So we're going to go hit a cafe. Hopefully we can track one down. And then we are off to Canberra Harley-Davidson. So they're expecting, I checked last night, there's about 100 bikes registered already. So fingers crossed, we'll see some cool stuff out there. It's a little chilly in Canberra at the moment, so we'll just flick the heating on and get the vents sorted. Let's head out. Bike feels good. It's actually quite a nice morning here. Zoom in, babe.
I can't.
That looks like a nice car. There we go, we made it. If you're new here and have no idea what this is our 1994 Honda Goldwing, and if this is what makes you hard, we've got a bunch of content that we've done on this already, so including big long rides and also full makeovers, so go check that out. But we just arrived at 3 Mills Bakery, and like I said earlier, I've discovered almond croissants. Now, with a little bit of quick research, we found that this place possibly has one of the best, so we're going to hang here and wait for a few of the boys to turn up before hitting the Harley ride, so let's go check it out. We're finally here. Jet. These look insane. You can see out the back as well. This must be the mothership where they're all made. Can I please get a almond croissant?
No, that's it. Thank you so much. Are you taking any coffee?
Ooh, finally. Morning! John's just rolled in his beautiful twin cam FXR. I don't know if this has been on the channel before, but because he's parked in the shade, it looks like it's all black. But once we get a little bit of sun on it, she pops with a real deep purple.
Oh no! She dropped it.
Sheesh!
I'll show you. Well,
I've probably got icing all over my face, but we've just finished up at 3 Mills. Croissant, I'd probably give it maybe a 7 out of 10. Now I know I'm going to get kickback from this. It was good, don't get me wrong. Coffee was great, but I think I've had better. But for now, Harley-Davidson's just up the road. You can hear the boys peeling out now, so let's get back on the bike and see what the day has in store. Now, before you hit the comments and say, stop putting music over the sound of the engine, I want to hear the engine. This is the sound of a Goldwing. So enjoy this music.
Yeah.
and we've just rolled up to Canberra Harley-Davidson. So the ride doesn't kick off for another hour. We thought we'd get here early and get a bit of a spot. That wasn't the case. Everyone got here on time, I guess. So it was a meet time of 9:30, kick off at 11. So it's currently about 10 o'clock and it is already packed, even spewing out onto the street. There's a bunch of cool bikes, so I'm gonna go check them out. Hey bro.
So we'll get Jay.
First name Phil.
United
Awesome,
Ride,
thank you.
Thank you. Harley-Davidson and the Salvation Army.
All right, I'm sure you can hear in the background. It's time to peel out. Oh, we got another fellow Goldwing. Is it? Yeah. Let's go. All right, so we've just rolled up back at the dealership. Now, a lot of the Harleys did struggle to keep up with the old land yacht. That's expected, but that was absolute chaos. It's like people forget how to ride when they're in, I guess, a pack. So there was accidents, there was a V-rod that nearly binned it, there was crashes, we're doing 60 on a freeway because people are trying to stop traffic on the freeway, which is just insane. Usually with my social rides, I'm at the front of the pack, so I don't have to, I guess, witness or see a lot of that shit. But just with 90 bikes, it was slow. Like, it felt like I didn't get over 80 Ks and there was 110 zones. On the subject of rides, we got our social rides. I'll put it up here on our screen in a week or two. But we just arrived at the dealership, so let's go check it out. G'day.
One sausage, one steak, please.
Beautiful. Thanks, fellas.
Thank you so
Looks
much.
good. Appreciate it.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, all right.
And that's a wrap for the Canberra United We Ride. So we're back at the dealership. What's cool when you come to these, there's a bunch of guys who actually watch the channel, so I appreciate everyone that's come up and said g'day, and also guys who are rocking our product, which is always awesome to see. So I did have a chance to meet the new, I think, general manager of this dealership. Cool bunch of people here, so if you ever get the chance, pop in. It's actually probably one of the bigger dealerships around, and on today's ride, I think they said they were in the top 10 for numbers around Australia as far as people attending the ride, which is cool because what one of the guys was saying, he was expecting 50 and I think we got close to 100. So it was a good day out. A few of the boys and I are about to go hit the pub. So I appreciate you watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.